in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run